Attention small, medium and micro enterprises in Cape Town, South Africa. Are you tired of sitting hours on hours and sometimes for days trying to create content to engage with your target market? We understand the anxiety that comes with amending information and second-guessing yourself when you need to share content on various mediums and relevant groups. Wish you had more time to focus on your business operations and growth without having to worry about business marketing. Now you can with Online Promotions Hub. Let us do your business marketing and take your business to new heights. We have different service packages to suit your business needs. Selecting your service package. Selecting the starter service package may mean that you are new to the business marketing sphere and would like to get started. Depending on your business, you may choose this package based on the frequency you need or would like to engage with your target market. The starter package offers 2 business advertisements per month. Selecting the Engager service package. This may mean that you engage with your audience on a more frequent basis, or you would like to get your business optimized online for brand recognition. Therefore, you require more customer engagement and keyword strategies for search engine optimization. The Engager package offers you 4 business advertisements per month. Selecting the Optimizer service package means that you appreciate and understand the importance of business marketing, frequent customer engagement, with advanced keyword strategies are required for optimal search engine optimization. You will also need and like to have your service or products advertised to your customers on a more frequent basis, which can increase your overall reach and search engine optimization, which is why the Optimizer offers you 8 business advertisements per month with an image gallery. Are you still slightly skeptical? Then test the theory. If you are not too concerned about your overall reach, but need to get your business optimized online and would like to obtain a better understanding of OPH's business marketing approach, test the waters with a tester. Do you need Online Promotions Hub to do your business marketing? Head to our website, select our package page on the top navigation bar. Select the package that best suits your business needs. Then select Shop Now to add it to your cart. Once your desired service is added to your cart, ensure that the information in your cart is correct, like the service selection and the quantity, as you may have visited the site before. Update your cart if required. At the checkout point, ensure that your billing details are all completed and accurate. Verify that your email address is correct, as your invoice will be sent immediately after online submission. For any additional information, like comments or questions, insert it in the additional information section. Below the additional information section, you have an option to select whether you would like newsletters or email notifications of future publications from Online Promotions Hub. Below your billing information will be a summary of your order. Once you are happy with your order summary, ensure that you have read and understood the website terms and conditions before you proceed to place your order. Our video launch is set for the 20th of January 2022. Get your business signed up by the 31st of January to qualify for a 6-month discount. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more information about our business strategy.